Let's think. Where are we? Where are you? Where am I? Right, here we go. Copy link. What is this? Of course we're gonna. Did I copy link yet? Yo, guys, I'm totally smart. I totally can. You know, and teach you guys this. Cause, yeah, I need to get rid of all of these sadness. 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 All my memories. I really wish that they would get rid of this. Solar Showdown. Exponents. Alright. So, everyone, my totally loyal chatters. What's gonna happen is I will be teaching you exponents, and you guys will not disagree with me on anything, even if I'm wrong, okay? Got it? Why does it do this? Why does it do this? Why does it say waiting for pi? 740. Boom. Okay. What the? I can't do what Nubs does. Anyway, everyone, I don't know if I should have music on because I need to look at the chat, who will totally agree with me on everything I can, on everything I say. Ahem. What's up, everyone? Welcome to the stream. So, today we're gonna do exponents for dummies. Alright, so everybody knows multiplication. It's just, oh wait, 2. Oh my goodness, I'm not prepared for this. Just that kind of looks like a 2, right? Right? 2 times 2. That's a 2, guys. That's a 2. Equals. Hey, that's a good equal sign, right? Equals 4. And I'm just gonna clear all. So basically, exponents are basically just that, but for the same number. So 2, I forgot how to write it too. I think it's like this. Yeah. 2 to the power of, that looks like a 2, okay guys? 2 to the power of 2 equals 4. Go. Why do I... That's a 4, guys. That's a 4. See, okay. And the reason for that is clear, because the number on top, aka the power, so we're just gonna put this as, x, and this as, y. That's a y, right? See? Why am I not streaming on Twitch? Because, I don't want the stream to crash. And I have more of an audience on YouTube. So, that's a Y. Okay? See? So, this is base. B. Yeah, base. Basically. And this is the power. We're going to signify that by a P. Oh my goodness. Anyway. So, what you're going to do is you're going to multiply the base as many times as the power says. So, basically, let's say it's 2 to the power of... That's actually really good, too. 2 to the power of 1. That would be 2 one time. But 2 to let's say the power of 3. Please let this be a good 3. There we go. 2 to the power of 3 equals 8. Can I do an 8? Just pretend that this is an 8, okay? Right? So it's 2 to the power of 3 is 8 because it's 2. That's a 2, guys. 2 times 2 times 2. So yeah, you just multiply the base as many times as the power says. Got it? Alright. What's it called? What should I do next? So, now that we have a good base, you could say... What? What? What in the world? Okay, Alright, anyway. Next. So, now that we have a base for, exponents, now we're gonna learn the opposite of exponents. Guys, I'm pi for a reason. Okay, you have to understand that I'm gonna be doing this because I'm a nerd. I admit it. Anyway, so the opposite of a power, the opposite of a power is square roots or cube roots, or I really don't know how to call it. Anyway, so 2 squared. Oh my goodness, this is a really good 2, okay? 2 squared, basically the opposite of that is why am I even thinking about this? It's the square root. See, that's a good square root, right? square root of 2. Now, you can think of square roots or roots. Right, they're roots. Oh my goodness. You can think of roots as two things. First, you have the exponents for, let's say, the for the base. I'm just gonna call it the base. This isn't the correct terms, but who cares? So that would be here. Totally good X, right? Yep, here, where I'm pointing at. That would be your exponent. So right now it's 2 to the 1. And then the next is this part. I'm just gonna do square there. So right now the square root you would technically be a 2 here, but we don't have to do anything because it's the lowest it can go. So what that means is we can basically turn it into a fractional exponent. That all is equal to a fractional exponent. So please let this be good. Square root of 2. Don't comment on my drawing skills. The square root of 2 is basically equal to 2 to the half. Okay, all math students, I'm trying to be smart right now. So yeah, subscribe. I'm trying my best, guys. Yeah, it would be 2 to the 1/2. And what that means is 2 to the 1/2 is basically equal to this. 2 the 1 on top would go here, so that's 1, and the 2 on the bottom would go here, 2. More complicated example of this is 2, please 2, well, that's actually pretty good. 2 to the 2, that's a 2 fourths. It's actually pretty good 4, right? 2 to the 2 fourths. Now what would happen here is it would be this, so 2 fourths. So then the bottom, undo, the bottom would go here, so it would be 4. That's a 4, guys. That's a 4. And then here would be the base. And then here would be the exponent, 2. What? So it would be the quadruple root of 2 squared, which would basically be the quadruple root of 4. So yeah, that's, we have been on for 13 minutes. Okay, I need to wrap this up fast. So next we're gonna go into dividing fractional, no, we need to go into negative exponents. Okay, so we all have regular exponents. 2. Please don't comment on my drawing. 2. I am a math teacher. I am. I'm not, but who cares? 2 to the power of 1. I forgot what I was doing. So we have that. But, yeah, that's regular exponents. But, the opposite of that is 2, well, not the opposite, but 2 to negative 1. Okay? That looks good, right? 2 to the negative 1. Which would basically equal, you take the negative here, that looks like a negative, put it here, and then you'd put a 1 on top, and then you'd put the base on bottom, and then the power here. So, more complicated example of this is 3. It's not really complicated, but who cares? I need a better building material. They need to fix this. Okay, 3 to the negative 3. Oh my goodness. Why am I so bad at this? That's a 3, guys. Okay? That's a 3. So, what you do there is you'd have top of 1, you'd have the line, and then you'd have 3. Okay. You'd have 3, and then you'd have a negative 3. I mean, not negative, shoot, I'm dumb. I'm dumb. Then you'd have the exponent of 3, if that looks like a 3. So, that would basically be 1 to the 9th, okay? So, yeah. Now that we know negative exponents, we need to know how to subtract and add exponents. So, here's the things. I really don't have anybody, in the chat except for a person saying that I'm not a math teacher. So, I'm just gonna not tell you any questions. So, it's basically like this. 2 plus 2. And then this one has 3. And then this one has 4. Now, the thing about this is... No! They all left! Okay, the thing about this is... You can't do this. Okay? Because inherently, exponents are all about multiplying. If you add them, then it would just be 2 to the power of 3 plus 2 to the power of 4. So it wouldn't be adding to an exponent. So what you do is 2 to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of 4. See? That looks like a 4, right? And that would equal 2 to the power of 7. That looks like a 7, right? See, I'm doing this all because you know what? I'm just good at math, you know. No, I'm not, but who cares? Yeah, so next we have subtracting exponents. So to subtract exponents, you do 2, I like the number 2, okay? 2 to the power of 3 divided by 2 to the power of 2. Okay? And what that would equal is 2 to the power of 1. Because 3, which is the exponent, minus 2 equals, that looks like a 1, but it's a 2, equals 1. Yippee! Okay. So now that we've got that done, we can move on to dividing and subtracting. Well, no, I can't do that yet. I keep on trying to go to that. Next, we need to do timesing exponents. So, here's what happens. You have 2 to the power of 3. That's 3, guys, okay? 2 to the power of 3. I'm just gonna turn off chat because I know that nobody's listening. Oh, wait. I need to turn on volume. Oh, yeah. So, 2 to the power of 3, bracket, times 3. So, this can't be a base 3, aka coefficient, or it has to be an exponent 3. So, it has to be on the top, okay? I'm gonna draw an arrow. Yep, that's an arrow. Okay. Brightening, my name is Adrenaline. Okay. And what that would equal is 2. That's a 2. Times 9, okay? Yeah. My name is Math Teacher Extraordinaire. Who doesn't know math? Oh, yeah. You know, I'm crazy like that. But, I mean, I kept my promise. I would come back. And, so, if you do, let's say, what's an easy H? So, H 3 times H3 times black. Wait, I did. It's just a times 2 to the power of 2, but then all of it to the power of 2. Then that would be let's think. H. So hard. I can't draw. H3 times 2 would be 6. 6 times 2 and then times 4. There we go. Sad. Ooh, my name is my teacher. Yeah. I torture people with my weird streams. Yeah. Thunder, lightning. I'll be showing up uninvited 'cause yeah. You don't like me, but I do. Yeah. My name is. Yeah. Let me show you. Anyway. Yeah, that's the thing. Also, if it's negative, like h to the negative 2, it works the same as multiplication times 3. That would equal I think that was -2, so it would be -6, which would basically equal, if your teacher always says, oh, you need to simplify it, then it would just be 1 divided by h 6. Now, I cannot see chat right now, so if I blow up, message me on Discord or something, I won't, though. Anyway, that's cool, right? So, now we can go into fractional exponents. This is just a quick skim through. I don't have too much time, which is kind of sad. So, fractional exponents are basically just... So, this is square root of 2. Oh, I thought that I had blown up because of the... So, that is 2. So, what this would be, in exponents, would just be 2 to the 1/2. Okay. So that's how fractional exponents work. Now, what we need to learn is how to add, subtract, multiply fractional exponents. So, for fractional exponents, let's just say h1/2, that's a 2, okay? h1/2 divided by why did I do that? h1/2. Oh wait, yeah, I had to do that. Wait, not divided by. Oh my goodness, I'm dumb. Wait, I need to undo that. Times h 1 divided by 3. I know, this is so entertaining. I'm like that biology chemistry tutor or something, I'm crazy. I wish that they had like smaller pixels on certain maps. That would be that would be h. This would be adding h1. I think that's a half, okay? So then that would be h 1/5. Alright, so basically pretty easy. But the hard part is, well, it's not exactly hard if you have a brain, which isn't me. I had to get this explained multiple times. Not multiple times, just one time, but so h, let's say 1/2, and then you do the brackets. That would be h. Well, not, my goodness. That would be, and then divided by 1/3. Well, students, what would you think? I can't see chat, so I'm not gonna ask that question. So what you do here is, since you can't, it's just like all fractions, you have to find the common denominator. So for 2 and 3, they have the common denominator of 6. So 2, I need to remember, okay. 2 and 1. Oh my goodness. Undo. 2 times 3 is 6. And then you have to do it to both sides. So 1 times 3. So then that would be 3, 6. Cool, right? So that would be 3/6, and then for the 1/3, it would be do the same thing, and it would become 2/6. What? So what you do here is you times them. See this X symbol? You just times them. I'm too lazy to write that. And that would become 36. I don't know if I'm doing this right. Yeah, I think that I'm doing it right. It's 36. 2 times, 6. 6 divided by 36. 36, which is basically 1/6. Yahoo! So it would be h 1/6. Cool, right? And then it's the same thing for whenever you have to minus. I think that I did it wrong. Yeah, I did it wrong. I'm not good at math. No, why am I doing this? Yeah, basically, I'm just gonna skip that part, Okay, for minusing, it would be h let's just say h -1. I'm dumb. I'm dumb. Undo. H1 half. Oh my goodness. 1/3. And then divided by H1 half. Well, the thing is, you can't just minus the bottom. So what you do is find the common denominator, which is 6. And so this would be 3. 3. And then this. And then this would be 2. So those minus each other equal -1. So what that would be in the end would be H 1 divided by H. Yep. I know, I'm crazy, right? I'm so good at this maths. These maths. Okay, let's check chat. Did anybody like me? No, I don't think so. Yeah, it's math stuff. Yep, we're doing math stuff. Yeah, I'm acting smart. Answer is 6. Yeah, so guys, I'm trying to be smart here. Don't ruin my the only time I get to be smart. Let's think. What else do we have? We can just do problems, right? So, let's see. Going back to here, I think that we have to go back over this. Does anyone have any questions? My 3 people who aren't completely bored with, my stuff. Anything that I could do? Because we could do 6 to the 1/2 is basically square root of 6, which is something that I have no idea. Literally no idea about. It's an irrational number. I said that this was gonna be a 20-minute stream, but it got longer. Ducky, interesting name. What's up? Don't think I've seen you before. It's cool. And yeah, I think that concludes our lesson. That's just part 1. I'm gonna learn more. And then I'm gonna become smarter. And then... No! You went to lunch and missed the math? No! You missed me yapping. Such a bad thing. I should probably make a video about this. I wonder what could happen. I'm tired right now. But anyway. Now we're just yeah. So I went running yesterday and I got really cramped because I forgot to stretch. And so I went running today because I'm a psychopath, you know I'm crazy. And it actually wasn't that bad. I went down to downtown, had some fun. I practiced accelerations and the wall running, and it was pretty cool. But JH, do you have any math questions? What in the world? JK1N times Q. K times N equals JK. Okay, let's see. K N. I'm just gonna try and solve this with my own wit. I'm gonna absolutely fail this, but who cares? Kn. Oh, it's an equation that hasn't been solved yet. Oh. Okay. Hey, you just I was having a big brain moment. I would have solved that. You just ruined it. Can't believe you. You shouldn't have said that. Let me torture around it for an hour. Okay. But let's think about it. JOIN times Q. So, wait, let's think. See, the thing is, I'm not smart. So, yeah. Well, I mean, the ones wouldn't really matter because they're basically the same thing. They're just timesing, so anything times 1 is just the same thing. John times Q. So it's JKN times Q times JON times Q. So yeah, no idea. No, absolutely no idea. My brain just died from that. So it would basically just be N equals that. But then what is that? The knot theory? I have no idea what that is. Okay, I'm not smart. I'm just doing this so that I can seem smart, okay? Okay, just remember that. I'm gonna go search up what is the knot theory. Knot theory. In topology, knot theory is the study of mathematical knots. While inspired by knots which appear in daily life, such as just give me the shortened version, okay? Knot theory, the study of closed curves in 3 dimensions and their possible deformations without one part cutting through another knots may be regarded as formed by interlacing and looping a piece of string and then joining the ends. What? So it's like infinity symbol? It's cracking my brain. I can't do this. Wait, O equals unknot? Oh. Well, you didn't tell me which ones meant what. I feel like JH is smarter than me. I mean, yeah, I kind of guessed that by myself. A long time ago. Sweats always have them big brains. What, JH, have you studied this? Do you do that in your free time? Are you a nerd? I just act like a nerd because I want to seem like I'm smart. But are you a nerd? What? You read somewhere that if you solve the equation, you'd just get like $1 million? $1 million? I think I have a new hobby. I just have to search up what all of it means. So then, when you JH, if we solve it together, will you split the $1 million with me? So what was it? K? Sure? Oi, deal. So then I just have to search up what all of it means. Hey man, nothing's not possible with 2 kids who have no life. Oh wait, you might have a life. That's kind of sad. But you know, I can just wait. I can't really no life it because of school and stuff. But you know, I can just do stuff. Try and figure it out. Team No Life, let's go! Let's go! Yeah, that's my new hobby. Woohoo! We just have to make a game plan of what to study. Then we'll be set. I'm gonna write it down, and then there we go. Okay, K. Oh my goodness, that looks like a K, right? There we go. N. I don't think that we have enough space. Equals J. Oh, we definitely don't have enough space. Oh yeah. Let's split them $1,000,000. Those mathematicians don't have anything on us. They have, like, wives and stuff that they have to feed, and then children. But guess what? We don't. Ha ha ha. Wait, I think that I'm gonna end this here because I still have, the homework from classes. So yeah. See ya tomorrow, hopefully. Oh wait, I have running tomorrow. Yeah, see ya, mate. Sayonara. We gotta dedicate our whole lives to this. Where are we? Streamlabs. See ya, mate. First day of school's tomorrow. Your first day of school is tomorrow? I'm like already 2 weeks in. Well, good luck on your school. That's gonna be hard, mate. But hey, we can still try and know life, eh? 'Cause we're just crazy like that. See ya.